What's up YouTube, DanB12 here, bringing you guys a deck profile, a new one, because I ditched the Great Keepers now around Dragoondies. So today my friend the LegoBoy1212 is coming over, and Mr. Martindale is also going to be there. We're going to film quite a few duels, have some fun, trade, and lots of stuff. So just wanted to give you guys that heads up because there's going to be lots of videos pouring in. So let's start in the profile. So Stardust Reagan. Now this you don't really have to have. I just have it for fun. Colossal Fighter. Because it's some of the only synchros I've got that I can actually use. Dragoon Knight Gaybold. Okay, so now for the actual deck. The monsters, we've got Triple Ducks, which is like basic build. Triple Achilles, I mean for Legionnaires or Duxes if you're really desperate. Now 3 Phalanx, I'm proxying these because here in Canada they're like $30 each now. Unless you buy like dual terminals or something. I can't remember what pack they come from. Like I actually don't know. 3 Miles Satans. And as per usual, if you want to make this deck, get the structure deck that has most of these stuff, and then get 3 of them, so that way you're good. So 2 Leviathan, and obviously 2 LADs, because they work with the Leviathan, making them invincible unless somebody has Necro Valley on the field for some reason. We got 2 Legionnaire. Now I just run 2 Dark Spear. Now these like you should only be running 1, but it's just that I don't have many spells or traps that work in this deck. So 1 Brandy Stock, for the same reason as I said before, you should not be running any at all. For the spells, we got Triple Ravine, because that's their special field thing. Got 2 MSTs, 2 Cards of Consonance, 2 Avarices. Now I need Avarices, so please offer. Monster Reborn, Dragon Mastery, Book of Moon, Foolish Burial, and that's it's for the spells. So wait, I think I gotta do something. I'll be back in a second. Okay, I'm back YouTube. So for we got Dark Hole too. Sorry. Those were the spells, and yeah, you should also have a Future Fusion as well. In the extra deck you should have a 5-headed dragon. It's 5,000 attack, 5,000 defense, and basically just send any dragons to the graveyard, and any 5 dragons, and it's basically invincible. So it can't be destroyed by earth, water, fire, wind, or dark. So that's a great effect. I have to proxy that because it's really hard to find. Almost nobody has it because like it's hard to get, I think. So next we got double Icarus attacks. Now I run 2 because like basically pop 2 of your opponent's cards. Pretty good. 1 Mirror Force, pretty essential. Bottomless Trap Hole, Dark Bribe, and Sakuretsu Armor. Those are like the essential traps. Basically in any deck you should have those. I know I'm missing quite a few things. Please like leave me a comment on advice for the deck, like what I should add to it, what I should take out. I know Dark Spears and Brandy Stock should be out, but I don't have enough traps or spells to like take their spot. If you guys have any ideas for monsters, I mean like Dragoondy Miltum and all those things, they don't really work well in this deck. Basically they're just crap that came with the structure deck. I don't even know why they're in there because they really suck. This deck is perfect. I mean it works really well. So yeah, hopefully you guys can see the duels that me and my friends do today, and see the power of Dragoondy Black Wings, which you can, I'll post an annotation right here in the corner. You can see the LegoBoy1212's Blackwing profile. It's actually really good, and more Dragoondy we got a random deck and watch. So that's all. I may do a vid on my mints. I mean, I already have, like, I want to do a vid on showing every single card, but I'll do that later. So yep, peace out. That is what she said, mate.